I miss this, bro. I miss this. Let's go. Man, what? Now breathe out. Okay. Iyaphila cishe ibhida yandazi yandivo kudala ndasika kutka chabalala kwa FIFA mamele nina anifuna ufunda ke nina watswina ndimkhwicha ngosiba sakaliachu yawusinda lightweight kodwa mrapper ndakusinda pen game big stepping like Jigger. I call that man a stupid man for picking a fight with a winner. Imagine that nigga came with a chainsaw, we all saw brains splatter the figures, different opinions. I told my bro I love it, it's different. If you don't feel it, you don't feel it, bro. Respect what you feeling. Streets saying it's defeat, tryna mess with your mental. Now he iced out in the North Pole like Santa. It's not banter. Fan bandafika nes Coco, that's before the drop of Black Panther. Vibranium ikwipenyam ndedwa mxelela ithengwa samansela ngosiba usingisela ubasemva subona uphambili uyibait awuthenjwa qha ezinto azithethwa awukaphila usathi skele masithengwa suzenza uclever apha kuthengisa ubisi kodwa apha akusengwa omnye nomnye usikarela komnye ubili udugobe imali ingena usathana qobe ubonwe icoshwe buya sokolisa press mute ucofwe akumandanga ithindlala sela manzi uxole. I know a place wish I could go today, but the cost is great, cannot go today. I just hope and pray I don't fade away by your trigger. Happy hands on my way, need to concentrate, block out all the hate. It won't complicate my rise or my reign. I have seen it all evolve through the pain, so I feel your pain when you say you lost it a couple days ago. I relate, we not Louis Lane. The government's a fraud, won't save the day. Not sorry to say the things we go through daily. Yazibona nje anamali ngcola nje ngesubhanqa buyabhadala kunenyane ehamba nje ibikhoki yam ndihambe shiyikhoki thatha ikhatalog yam yonke ndihambe faka ispeaker ndidlale ngoba ndiboleka indlebe ndikhwaze mna ne-favorite rapper yakho soze silingane thomadora ndlela inde bhanza yenza mfutshane and asoze ndiphule isithembiso sikacikicane ngcono kunyiwe zitsale. Anyway, I missed y'all, man.